Welcome back. Now in this video I want to show you how to run a linear trend model on the data. So what I did is to create a new column here to test our model using linear trend. There are two ways to run linear trend. One way is a little slightly easier to run than the other, and I will start with this one. So the first way is to look in the chart that I generated a little earlier, where I plotted the actual data and the data generated through various forecasting models. I'm going to click on the actual data here on this, and I'm going to right click on that, and I will go and add trend line. And in the trend line option I'm going to choose a linear because I want it to be a straight line, and I'm going to choose the option of displaying the equation on the chart and also to display the R-square value on the chart. And then I do close, and you see that that straight line that is visible here is the linear trend. And also what I have is the equation of my linear trend. And as you know, in a linear trend what we have is a slope and an intercept. So slope and intercept. So the slope here is 0.0091 and my intercept is 41.582. So that's one way of finding out about my slope or my intercept. Another way to do that and to get more precise result is to run a regression using the regression tool. And the way that I do it is by going to data, data analysis, and I select the regression tool. In my regression, the y, which is the dependent variable, is going to be the actual demand, and the x, which is the independent demand, is going to be the time period. I run this and it opens a new worksheet, and when I do that you see that I find exactly the same result but slightly more detailed. So for instance, the x here, I know it's 0.009091. So if I come back to my original 9, it's actually 9091. So my intercept is 41.582, is exactly the same in the other sheet, so that's 41.58182. 8182. That's if you really want to be precise, and that's the advantage of this second option, is that you get more precision by getting more decimals for your run. Okay, what to do once we have the slope and intercept? Well, we're going to plug that equation to generate our forecast. So our forecast is going to be equal to the intercept, I'll press F4, plus the slope, press F4 as well, multiplied by the time period. And I drag it down. This is my linear trend. And that's it.